Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the art of interiors that transcend trends and embrace timeless elegance. Today, we're taking you on a journey into the world of modern Japanese interiors, a style that is serene, minimalistic, and profoundly connected to nature. Imagine spaces where simplicity and tranquility come together in perfect harmony. These interiors aren't just about design. They reflect a lifestyle rooted in mindfulness and beauty through simplicity. Let's explore the magic of modern Japanese interiors, where less truly is more. At the heart of modern Japanese interiors is a philosophy of minimalism that's deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. The focus is on creating spaces that are simple yet deeply intentional. Every element in the space has a purpose, every detail carefully considered. This minimalism isn't just about removing clutter, it's about creating space for peace and mindfulness. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and an open layout make the room feel expansive, even in smaller spaces. By stripping away excess, the mind can rest, and the space feels lighter, more serene. In a world that often feels chaotic, these interiors offer a retreat. The absence of unnecessary detail creates a calming atmosphere where only the essentials remain, each one beautiful in its own right. One of the defining features of modern Japanese interiors is the seamless connection to nature. In Japan, the idea of bringing the outside in is deeply rooted in the design philosophy. You'll often see natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone used throughout these interiors, reflecting a respect for the natural world. Large windows frame views of gardens or courtyards, allowing light and nature to flood the space. Whether it's a sliding glass door that opens onto a Zen garden or an indoor feature wall made of raw stone, the integration of natural elements is key. This connection to nature fosters a sense of calm and grounding, turning the home into a sanctuary. Imagine a space where the lines between indoor and outdoor blur, where you feel the tranquility of nature no matter where you stand. A unique concept in modern Japanese interiors is the embrace of wabi-sabi, the beauty found in imperfection and impermanence. It's the idea that nothing is truly flawless, and that there's a certain charm in the natural wear and aging of materials. In these interiors, you'll see natural wood grain with its knots and irregularities, stone with its rough edges, and handmade ceramics that aren't perfectly symmetrical. These imperfections add warmth and character, giving the space an organic, lived-in feel. Rather than striving for perfection, wabi-sabi celebrates authenticity. It's about finding beauty in simplicity and accepting that nothing stays the same forever, just as nature intended. Modern Japanese interiors are not only aesthetically pleasing, they're highly functional. The design focuses on creating multi-purpose spaces that are both practical and beautiful. Sliding doors, known as shoji screens, are often used to create flexible, open-plan layouts. These doors can divide spaces when privacy is needed or be opened up to create a larger room. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated to keep clutter out of sight, maintaining the clean and minimalist look. Built-in shelves, hidden cabinets, and floor-level storage are all common in these designs, allowing the space to remain functional without sacrificing simplicity. Every piece of furniture or decor serves a dual purpose. There's beauty in utility. Low wooden tables, tatami mats, and futon beds, for example, are not only functional, but also contribute to the calm, grounding atmosphere of the space. Light plays a crucial role in modern Japanese interiors. Natural light is preferred, often flooding through large windows, soft paper screens, or sliding glass doors. The light is often diffused, creating a gentle, serene atmosphere. Artificial lighting is kept subtle and warm, with soft ambient lights that enhance the feeling of calm. The goal is to create a space that feels open and airy, where light flows naturally and the space breathes. This open, uncluttered use of space allows for a better flow of energy, creating a peaceful and harmonious environment. Whether it's a minimalist living room or a tranquil bedroom, the balance of light and space is central to the calm, meditative feel of modern Japanese interiors. Modern Japanese interiors offer more than just a design style. They provide a way of living. They reflect a philosophy of simplicity, mindfulness, and respect for nature. It's a style that encourages us to slow down, find beauty in simplicity, and create spaces that bring us peace. If you're inspired by the calm elegance of modern Japanese interiors, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Visionary Designs. We'll continue exploring the world of design, uncovering spaces that inspire harmony and balance in our lives.